Assalamu alaikum and good morning, everyone. Hope I'm audible and visible. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. So starting with the new session, a new topic. Okay. Yesterday we had gone through two topics. Like one was human characteristics and design. Okay. In that particular topic, we have seen what are the different characteristics which human can have for designing purpose. Okay. So these were the needed or the requirement of the human as a part of a human characteristics. Okay. And then after that we have gone through the normal or we can say general consideration of a human. Okay, well, while they are designing something. Okay, so they have categorized in a few tables, four tables. They have categorized user knowledge and experience, user task and needs, then psychological characteristics क्या क्या है normal वाली, and then physical characteristics क्या क्या है. ठीक है. So these all were the different general consideration of a human. Okay, while design. Okay, coming to the next topic, that is human interaction speed. Okay, this is one of the topic which is there in your syllabus. So I thought we can easily cover it first, and then we can move to the software process. Okay, so in this particular session, we are going to cover this particular topic, that is human interaction speed. Okay, we can calculate and we can analyze the interaction speed. Like I'm using this particular mouse. Okay, I always give you the example of this particular mouse or pouch or anything. Okay, but this is for your understanding only. So if I take this particular object, okay, this is an object for me right now because I'm an actor. I'm an actor right now, and this is my object. Okay, so when I'm interacting with this particular object, then what is the speed? Okay, now speed can be calculated in many ways. Okay, speed can be calculated in many ways. Like particular this particular mouse is placed over here. Okay, this particular mouse is placed over here. So what will be the interaction speed of holding this particular mouse and lifting this mouse to I think we can say 1 meter the distance. Okay, so what will be the interaction speed? So doing anything. For example, you're going out of this particular cabin. Okay. If you are going out of this particular cabin, then what will happen? Okay, I need to go that particular door. I need to go at that particular door, and I need to open this via handle or a lock, whatever lock is provided at this particular moment of time. Then I will open this and I'll go out. Okay, so this is the the time it will take to come to go out of this particular room. Okay, so this is how interaction can be done. We can analyze, we can calculate the speed of interaction at any moment of time. Okay, I hope you people are understanding. The things are very very simple. कुछ इसके अंदर rocket science नहीं है, कुछ technical नहीं है. Okay, but you need to understand all these things in the general way. Okay, generally आपको समझना है. ठीक है, I give you an example. Okay, I give you one more example. Okay, you have this particular key. Okay, while going out of this particular room, you need this particular key. Okay, so because you need to lock this door. Okay, this home. Okay, okay. Of this particular room, you need to lock this door. Okay. So when you will go out, then you will insert this particular key inside the lock, and then you will lock the door, and then you will remove this key and you will put in your pocket, and then you will leave. Okay. So how much time you are taking to leave this particular? So that is the interaction speed because I am interacting with this particular lock via this key. Okay. So there is an interaction going on between the human and the object. Object is my door, and I am an actor. Okay, So this is how you can calculate and you can analyze the speed of interaction at any moment of time whenever you are interacting with any object. And you are the actors, so you can analyze speed at each and every moment of time. Okay. सो द स्पीड एट विच पीपल कैन परफॉर्म ओके यहाँ पर इसको थोड़ा हम लोग ने अलग वे में कैलकुलेट किया है यू कैन कैलकुलेट और यू कैन हैव द इंटरेक्शन स्पीड इन मेनी वेज यू कैन एनालाइज इट बट here we have done in this way okay we have categorized it into the reading speed listening speed speaking speed then keying यानी जो टाइप करते हैं ना उसको बोलते हैं keying okay and the last one is handwriting okay so they have categorized into they have categorized and summarized into the five categories like reading, listening, speaking, keying, and handwriting. Okay, so reading something, reading some characters from the book or from the page or from the newspaper. Then listening, you are listening. Then from how much speed you can listen, how many words you will listen per minute, it can be calculated. And speaking, okay, you are expressing your thought, your feelings in terms of the speech, okay, then this is speaking. And then keying, just typing the words on typewriter or the keyboard, okay, whatever device you have, so you are typing the information, you are typing the characters, okay, that how much speed you have. आफ्टर दैट हैंड राइटिंग सो हैंड राइटिंग हमारी अपनी हैंड राइटिंग के अंदर हम लोग कितने वर्ड्स लिख सकते हैं सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इंटरेक्शन के अलग अलग पैरामीटर्स हैं तो उन्होंने जो कैलकुलेट किया है जो एनालाइज किया है दे हैव समराइज्ड दीस फाइव एस्पेक्ट ओके द स्पीड एट व्हिच फर्स्ट पॉइंट वी हैव नॉट रीड the speed at which people can perform using various communication method has been studied by a number of researchers and they are summarized as follows like reading, listening, speaking, hearing, and handwriting. Okay, so these are the different aspect or these are the different categories using various communication method. Okay, so interaction speed हम लोग calculate किए हैं for the communication method और कम्युनिकेशन कैसे कर सकते हम लोग कर सकते हैं वाया रीडिंग लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग कीइंग तो कम्युनिकेशन का जो इंट्रैक्शन है वो हम लोग इनके थ्रू कर सकते हैं ओके so coming to the first one that is reading okay this just imagine that we are learning about the interaction speed okay speed के बारे में how much and how fast you can do this particular task how fast you can read how fast you can listen how fast you can speak how fast you can write how fast you can type okay so we are concentrating on the speed of various communication methods so the first one is regarding the reading. Reading is the process of looking at a series of written symbols and getting meaning from them. Okay, just reading. Okay, so you have something in front of you. Okay, Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic. Okay, so whatever was written, you have just read those particular characters. Okay, because you know and you understand this particular language, so you have read it like Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic, like you have read. Okay, so basically, reading is the process. This is a very general definition anyone can say, but this is the proper definition of reading. So basically, reading is the process of looking at a series of written characters and symbols and getting meaning of them. So Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic. So out of these four words, what I came to know, this is the name of our college. Okay, Polytechnic का नाम. Okay, so very simple definition. The average now these are the different speed. These are the general speed which are given. The average adult reading English prose in the US has a reading speed in the order of 250 to 300 words per minute. Just try it once. Okay, आप लोग इतना read कर सकते हैं. न्यूज़पेपर लेके एक बार ट्राई करना, ठीक है? या फिर कुछ नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स कैरेक्टर नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स आप अपने वर्ड में एमएस वर्ड के अंदर कैलकुलेट कर लेना और उसको एक बार रीड करना इन हाउ मच टाइम यू कैन रीड ओके because US people are having good communication speed in terms of reading, writing, in terms of speaking. So they are the savvy users, savvy people. So they are having good reading speed. So they have shown like 250 to 300 words per minute. Okay. The reading speed can be substantially increased or भी बढ़ सकती है when using rapid serial visual presentation. This is one of the technique or we can say scientific method. I will let you know because मैंने उसको last में एक बार वो किया हूँ. देखो एक बार कहाँ पर है last में. Rapid serial visual presentation (RSVP) is the one of the scientific method for studying the timing of vision. तो बेसिकली अपना पूरा फोकस, पूरा इन शॉर्ट सिंपल ये समझो कि दिस इज द साइंटिफिक मेथड टू फोकस, टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन पर्टिकुलर एरिया एंड टू फोकस मोर, कंसंट्रेट करना है एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर, उसको रीड करने के लिए, ठीक है। सो दिस इज RSVP। अगर फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप फोकस करेंगे, सो यू विल बी हैविंग, यू विल सब्सटेंशियली, यू विल इंक्रीज द रीडिंग स्पीड ऑफ, दैट्स अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग। अगर आप थोड़ा और फोकस करके रीड करेंगे, so absolutely your reading skills will be, your reading speed will be increased. People with little practice can read at 400, थोड़ी सी practice के बाद में 400 words per minute भी read कर सकते हैं, while those with even less than 1 hour of practice can easily read at speed of 600 to 800 per minute. एक बार अगर आपने एक घंटे तक अच्छे से practice कर ली, तो आप वहां भी जा सकते हैं, because you know, now you are familiar with all the terms and all the words, okay, so you can easily read all of them, and you can increase the speed of the reading, okay. हाँ, और उसमें से 180 और फास्टर अबाउट 180, ये कुछ अलग ही लिखा है, करेक्ट, मैंने इसको कॉपी कर लिया था। सो इवन अगर कभी प्रैक्टिस रही, so you can read more characters, more words, okay, whatever is given. So basically all the focus was on reading, okay, so reading skills, हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट द ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन स्पीड। तो ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन स्पीड में हम लोग कम्युनिकेशन मेथड के स्पीड पर हम लोग ध्यान दे रहे हैं। तो फर्स्ट वन वाज रीडिंग, और रीडिंग के अंदर हम लोगों ने ये पॉइंट्स हम लोगों ने देखे, ठीक है। देन सेकंड वन इज अबाउट द लिसनिंग, ओके, लिसनिंग मतलब सुनना, ठीक है। तो लिसनिंग बेसिकली, द प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, like listening is the conscious processing of the auditory stimuli that have been perceived through hearing, perceiving something from, मैं आपको एकदम सिंपल वे में बता दूं, परसीव करना, गेटिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम द हियरिंग सेंस, ठीक है। तो अपने हियरिंग सेंस से क्या करना, कुछ चीजों को परसीव करना, कुछ चीजों को लेना, so that is the listening. So this is the proper definition which was given, so I took it as it is. So अब आपकी listening की भी speed होती है, so people comfortably can hear words that are spoken at from 150 to 160 words per minute, okay। तो एक कंफर्टेबली हियर करने के लिए, कंफर्टेबली सुनने के लिए, ओके, 150 टू 160 कैरेक्टर्स पर मिनट अगर कोई बोलेगा, तो उसको कंफर्टेबली हम लोग हियर कर पाएंगे। दिस इज जनरली the recommended rate for those who are preparing books on tape, okay, by listening something on the tape and then just उसको फिर उसको नोट डाउन करना, या उसकी आपको कुछ लिखना है, तो उसके लिए कितनी स्पीड होना चाहिए, लिसनिंग की स्पीड क्या होना चाहिए, so that you can hear something and writing, you will hear something and writing, even मतलब कि उसको स्टॉप किए बिना, आप टेप को स्टॉप किए बिना, you need to write on the same, or for narration or in the video, okay, so if someone is narrating something, then you can just listen those words or characters or statement, and then you are noting it down. So basically listening is also one of the skill. A speed of 210 words per minute result in no loss in comprehension, okay, तो 210 तक जा सकते हैं, कोई लॉस नहीं होगा। Coming to the next one, that is speaking. So speech speaking is the action of conveying information or expressing one's feeling in speech. रीड करने में और स्पीच में क्या फर्क है? Reading is just reading whatever is written in the book or in the paper, okay, on the paper. So reading वो है, लेकिन speaking, your expression, your thought, your feeling, okay, so expressing all these terms in terms of speech, so that is basically a speaking, okay. So ये इसकी proper definition है. Then people tend to dictate to computers at about 105 words per minute speaking, even though there will be some misrecognition by the speech recognition, हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है, आप गूगल असिस्टेंट को बोलते हो, ओके, तो अगर कोई ऐसा वर्ड आ जाए, या आपने आपने अगर उस टाइम पे एकदम स्पीड में बोली, या फिर आपने स्लो बोले, या आपने उसको थोड़ा सा प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ा सा अगर कभी प्रॉपर नहीं किए, so at that moment of time it will not recognize what you have speak, okay. एवरेज स्पीकिंग रेट इज 25 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, बोलने का जो है हमारा वो 25 वर्ड्स पर मिनट व्हेन डूइंग ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। पता है आप लोगों को ट्रांसक्रिप्शन क्या होता है? समवन फ्रॉम योर साइड, व्हाट इज ट्रांसक्रिप्शन? ट्रांसक्रिप्शन की जॉब भी होते हैं, पता है? मैंने देखा उन लोगों को करते हुए। बहुत लोगों स्पीड वाला काम होता है ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। बोलो। अरे बोलो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन। टाइपिंग टाइप। टाइपिंग टाइप। बेसिकली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन एक्चुअली ऐसा होता है बाहर की कंट्रीज में, फॉरेन कंट्रीज में, पीपल्स लाइक डॉक्टर्स, उनके मैंने जो एग्जाम्पल देखा था वो एक किसी डॉक्टर का ही देखा था। सो डॉक्टर्स यूज टू स्पीक, ओके, एकदम उन लोगों को क्लियरली बोलना होता है, वो लोग स्पीड में अपना बोलते हैं। सो वट एवर जो भी प्रेस्क्रिप्शन है या जो भी मेडिसिन के बारे में, बिकॉज आई वॉज वर्किंग बिफोर हियर, आई वॉज वर्किंग इन वन ऑफ द बैक ऑफिस कंपनी फॉर 1 or 2 months. So I was there. So one process was there. एक process चलता था वहाँ पर हम लोग का. So in that particular process, the people used to put headphones on their head and listening the speech of the doctors, okay, and then they are just typing, okay, whatever they are listening, so they have to type, okay. So their typing speed should be as good as possible so that they can hear whatever they are hearing, so they have to type very fast. So that was a transcription job. तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन बेसिकली आपके ना, तो वॉइस टाइपिंग होती है बेसिकली, आप बोलते जाओ टाइप होते जाती है। सो वन ऑफ द टाइप है। तो यहाँ पर आपका अगर कभी एवरेज स्पीकिंग रेट है तो 25 है, तो 25 वर्ड्स पर मिनट अगर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन करे तो इतना होना चाहिए, सो दैट कि एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर, ओके, व्हाइल यू आर स्पीकिंग, सो एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर। New users had average speaking rate of 14 words। कोई नया बंदा बोलेगा आके आपको बुलाएंगे, या कोई ऐसे बंदे को बुलाएंगे जो ज्यादा नहीं आता है, तो उसकी स्पीच की जो रेट रहेंगी, तो उसके वर्ड्स पर मिनट रहेंगे, तो दैट विल बी लेस। तो और जो सैवी है तो उनके अच्छे रहेंगे। स्पीकिंग इज वन ऑफ द इंटरेक्टिव गेम। The fastest typist can enter well over 150 words per minute. Average typing speed is considered to about 60 होता है ना, WPM। you people might be having good typing speed like 60 होती है, किसी की 50 होती है, 40 होती है। तो जो एक अच्छी अच्छी जो टाइपिंग स्पीड एवरेज एवरेज इनकी होती है दैट इज 60 to 70 वर्ड्स पर मिनट, और फास्टेस्ट वाले भाई साहब की तो 150 वर्ड्स पर मिनट होती है। सो दे टाइप इन दिस। So this is also one of the interaction. Handwriting is the last one. Handwriting refers to the person's writing created with a writing utensil such as a pen or pencil. तो पेन और पेंसिल के थ्रू क्या है, लिखना है, handwriting. On average, people write handprint at about 31 words per minute. 31 words per minute for memorized text। अगर कुछ याद है, so if you are writing the things which are आपके दिमाग में कुछ शायरी है, ठीक है, आपके दिमाग में कुछ पोएम है, कुछ पोइट्री, so you can write it down, something which is memorized, okay, and you are writing it, so you will get around 31 words per minute speed। and what these all are the observation, okay, these all are the study, okay, which has been done by different researchers। so उसी चीज को mention किया। and about 22 words per minute if you are copying the text from some any other location, okay। so all about the handwriting, okay। so क्या है बेसिकली इसके अंदर, these are the different parameters, or we can say different aspect in the communication method, which has been studied by different researchers, okay, and they have been categorized in the reading, listening। So we are learning about the speed, okay। I give you an example like ये जैसा आपका ये, आप इसको नीचे से सरफेस से उठाना, उठा के 1 मीटर तक लेकर जाना और वापस से नीचे लाना, ओके। सो ये जो था बेसिकली, तो ये आपका एक इंट्रैक्शन, आपने इसको नीचे से ऊपर तक लेकर गया, ऊपर से वापस ला चलेगा, सो दिस इज द इंट्रैक्शन स्पीड। कितने टाइम में आपने इसको लिफ्ट किया और फिर आपने नीचे रखा, so that will be the interaction speed, okay। but here we are focusing on the communication method। so the communication method are having different aspect like reading, listening। ऐसे हम लोग हर एक का कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम हर एक का कैटेगराइज करने बैठेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगता है। and those will be subject specific, those will be case to case, okay। so इसके लिए हम लोगों ने खाली एक एग्जांपल लिए कम्युनिकेशन मेथड्स का लिए, दैट इज अ गुड, ठीक है। so whenever if there will be a question and exam regarding human interaction speed, then you can, मैंने क्वेश्चन देखा तो नहीं इसका, लेकिन एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आ भी सकता है 5 मार्क्स पे, okay। so human interaction speed about this, ये सारी चीज इसके अंदर। ओके, coming to the important part. Okay, so this is the part we are starting right now is very important because this question is always there in examination, like process of design. Okay, now basically what we have discussed about lot of things like design ऐसा वैसा वैसा, but इसका process क्या होना चाहिए? Okay, the process of design, I think you might have done this particular topic in the software engineering. Please let me know whether you have done it or not. Process of design शायद नहीं होगा, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि शायद आप लोगों ने किया। अरे बोलो, बोलने में इतना टाइम लगता है? क्यों, किसी का आंसर ही नहीं आता? डब्ल्यू डी बोलते हैं, डब्ल्यू डी है। ओके, okay. So starting with the next topic, that is process of design. I again repeated um, this this topic is important. Okay, and you need to memorize all the modules which are there in this particular design, this particular process. Okay, and you must understand it properly, and because you have to explain each and every module in detail. Okay, so let us start with this particular topic, that is process of design. Okay, so basically, if you will see for designing and for doing any task, okay, you have a process. Okay, for example, I say I just want to go out of this particular cabin. I just want to go out of this particular cabin. Then what I have to do? I need to I need to um, हाँ, I need to first of all I need to यहाँ से मुझे उठ के जाना पड़ेगा, जाके मुझे I was thinking else, कुछ मैं कुछ और सोच रहा था, मुझे बता नहीं पाया। चलो ठीक है, याद आया तो फिर बताता हूँ। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले मुझे यहाँ से उठना पड़ेगा, उठ के फिर मुझे लाइट फैन बंद करना पड़ेगा। दिस आल्सो वन ऑफ द प्रोसेस बिकॉज आई कैन नॉट लीव दिस पर्टिकुलर रूम, दिस पर्टिकुलर कैबिन एज इट इज, बिकॉज राइट नाउ एसी इज ऑन, लाइट फैन वगैरह मुझे हर एक चीज बंद करके जाना है। ठीक है, सो मुझे यहाँ से बाहर जाना है, बाहर जाके मैं लॉक करूंगा सो दैट समवन other cannot enter in the particular cabin, then I need to go out. Okay, for example, I say I need to pull this particular mouse up. Okay, I need to pull it up. Okay, so what I have to do, I need to hold it. First of all, मुझे मेरा हाथ वहां तक लेके जाना है, and then I need to hold this particular mouse, and then I will pick this particular mouse up. Okay, and then I will place it on any other location, and then I will release my hand. Okay, so this is one of the process. Okay, so like for designing any model, for designing any process, sorry, for designing any model, any product, any software. Okay, because we are talking in general. Okay, and if you talk about the computer system, then your computer system is also one of the machine. It is also one of the model. Okay, so for designing anything, you need a proper process. Okay, if the process is not followed properly, then what will happen? The things will be, अगर circuit कहीं पे open रह गया, so if the circuit is not closed properly, then what will happen? Your light will not glow. Okay, simple. It's a very simple concept or phenomenon. Okay, so like we have to discuss about the process of the design. कोई भी चीज अगर आपका डिजाइन होता है, okay, for example, you take washing machine. Okay, one of the home appliance, okay, which you have discussed, which we have discussed so far, okay, about that washing machine. So if you are designing washing machine, then what is the process you have to follow? Okay, first of all, the very first on the left hand side, you can see what is wanted. That is basically the requirement. Okay, you all know that because these are the very general term. Okay, this is the very common, you are going to focus, and you are going to repeat these things in your real life. Okay, when you will join any company, so you have to follow the same process. Okay, because this is the designing, because you can apply it for the designing of any software also. ठीक है, तो आप इसको हर जगह पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो। ठीक है, इवन यू आर डिजाइनिंग समथिंग विच इज होममेड, लाइक आप घर में कुछ बना भी रहे हो, तो उसके लिए भी आपको यही फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. And if you are designing something, if you are developing a software also in your company, then also you have to follow the same concept, same process. Okay. So the very first thing you need to do is you have to calculate and you have to analyze the requirement of the design. Okay. The model which you want to design, उसका सबसे पहले आपको requirements लेना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. That is what is wanted. On the left hand side you can see what is wanted. Okay. And you can do so by various methods. How you will calculate, how you're going to calculate the requirement, how you're going to analyze the requirement, how you're going to find the requirement of your design. Okay. For example, for example, you want to build this particular mouse. Okay. आपको ऐसा एक mouse बनाना है. ठीक है. ये तो है ये आपका Logitech कंपनी का है, but you want to make of your own company. ठीक है. You want to make and you want to build a wireless mouse. Okay. Then what you are going to do. Okay. So first of all, what is wanted? That is we want to build this particular mouse. Okay. Not this particular mouse, but the mouse which is same as this particular mouse. Okay. So for that, what you will do, you will conduct a lot of survey. Okay, you will go and you will buy and you will see a lot of mouse like LG, Logitech, Dell. Okay, so you will analyze all those mouse. Okay, so how they're working, what is the design, how the design they have put. Okay, and how this particular functions are, yeah, how this particular buttons are functioning. What is the speed of this particular wheel. Okay, what is the material they have used and which sensors they have used over here. Okay, so that it will detect it properly and it will work smoothly. Okay, and then and whatever जो भी इसके अंदर aspect है वो सारी चीजें क्या करेंगे आप analyze करेंगे. ठीक है. So चलो start करते हैं first वाले से. First is the requirement. What is wanted basically. So as a process. ठीक है, मैंने कुछ और ही लिखा है. Precursor to this is usually necessary to find out what's currently happening. Okay, whatever it is, I've just copied from the book. Actually, आपकी जो book है, Allen Desk में से मैंने निकाला. Allen Desk में से, हाँ, Allen Desk में से. So the very first point, the very first thing is that we have to find the current situation first. Okay, what is happening basically right now. ठीक है. What is happening in all other mouse. Okay, like in the Dell, in Logitech, in any other Zebronic, okay, LG or whatever HP. So whatever mouse which are right now present, whatever the current situation is, we have to analyze it first, okay? Because for gathering the information, for gathering the requirement, we need to analyze the market first, okay? That all we do. For example, how do people currently watch movies? Okay, and this is just an example. Yeah, I can say on this place, I can say which mouse people's currently which mouse are being used by the people currently. ठीक है, फिर आगे पीछे और ठीक है. तो कौन से माउस ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. तो पता चला लॉजिटेक के माउस ज्यादा यूज करते हैं. विल एनालाइज इट. ओके, आप लोग चेक करोगे कि उसके मतलब उसके अंदर क्या क्या पॉइंट्स है, क्या क्या चीजें हैं जिसकी वजह से वो इतना रेप्यूटेड है, इतना मोस्ट सेलिंग है और ज्यादा उसकी सेलिंग ज्यादा होती है. What sort of personal appliances do they currently use? They are number of technique. We have number of techniques used for this in the exercise. Okay. ये सब चीजें फाइंड आउट करने के लिए, ये सब चीजें गैदर करने के लिए आपके पास में अलग अलग मेथड है, अलग अलग आपके पास में टेक्निक्स हैं. वो क्या है? In order to collect the requirements, in order to know what is wanted by the user, you have number of or you have various schemes. Okay, like interviewing the people. Okay, you might have seen people are going in the public and they are asking, okay, so what kind of movies you want to like. Okay, movies होती है, movies का थिएटर के बाहर लोग खड़े रहते हैं ना, अक्सर देखा होगा आपने. They used to interview the people and they just ask, okay, so how do you like this movie. Okay, तो मतलब आपको ये जो भी मूवी लगी रहती है तो उनका भी पूछते हैं, उनके रिव्यू पूछते हैं, 1 2 4 10 15 20 के रिव्यू लेते हैं और वो रिव्यू के लोग अपने साइट पर डालते हैं. ठीक है, so these are the reviews they have taken line. Okay, तो ऐसा कुछ हमारे इसमें भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, so अगर कभी ये लेते हैं तो लेने के बाद में फिर विल कम टू नो ऑन पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट दैट कि हाँ पीपल लाइक दिस मूवी. ओके, इसका मतलब ऐसी मूवी हम लोग आगे भी बना सकते हैं. So they have just taken they've just collected one information from the people. So by interviewing of the people, okay, you can take this यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर माउस आल्सो, कि मुझे ये माउस बनाना है, तो आपने जाके पब्लिक में जाके इंटरव्यू दिया। सो अब कौन सा माउस आप यूज करते हैं, सामने वाला बोलेगा कि मुझे ये डेल में यूज करता हूँ, सब कोई कोई बोलेगा एचपी यूज करता हूँ, ठीक है। आपने रैंडमली 20 लोगों का, 20 पीपल्स का आपने इंटरव्यू दिया, ओके, शॉर्ट इंटरव्यू। सो आपको पता चला उसमें से 12 जो लोग हैं, जो 12 पीपल्स हैं, दे आर यूजिंग लॉजिटेक वन, ओके। सो विल कम टू नो कि हाँ 12 पीपल्स आर यूजिंग द लॉजिटेक। सो नाउ यू विल एनालाइज दिस पर्टिकुलर वन कि हाँ ये इसके अंदर क्या ऐसी खास बात है कि ज्यादा लोग इसको यूज कर रहे हैं, ओके। फिर आप इसमें और भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे, आप उनकी रिकॉर्डिंग भी करेंगे, आप उनको पूछेंगे भी कि इसमें आपको इसकी क्या चीज पसंद है। तो कोई बोलेगा मुझे इसकी सेंसिटिविटी पसंद है, कोई बोलेगा मुझे इसकी होल्डिंग, इसकी ग्रिप पसंद है, कोई बोलेगा कि इसकी जो लाइफ है, काफी साल से मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ, तो जो लॉन्ग लाइफ है, तो काफी सालों से यूज कर रहा हूँ, तक खराब नहीं हुआ है, तो ठीक है। कोई बोलेगा इसका जो मटेरियल है वो अच्छा है। तो पीपल विल बी हैविंग, सो यू विल एनालाइज दोस रिक्वायरमेंट, videotaping them, recording the things whatever you are surveying, looking at the documents and objects that they work with, whatever, ये जो भी for example 20 आपके out of 20 12 student, yes sorry 12 people will say that okay, I like the Logitech. So you will analyze that object, okay, you will analyze that Logitech mouse, and you will come to know okay what is the speciality in this particular mouse, so that maximum people are using, okay. So you will do this particular technique also, observing them directly. So you will buy one of the mouse, so you will be having one of the mouse, and then you will use it directly. हाँ मैं यूज करके देखता हूँ कैसे। So you will come to know about हाँ कि ये ऐसे है, ओके वेरी गुड, इसकी होल्डिंग अच्छी है, और क्या इसके ग्रिप अच्छी है, इसका क्लिकिंग अच्छा है, इसका लेफ्ट क्लिक राइट क्लिक सब अच्छा है, इसका स्क्रोलिंग अच्छा है, ऑल दैट यू विल सी, ओके। So we have number of techniques we can gather the information of a product if you want to make, if you want to build anything, okay. So in short that we have to take the requirement from various sources. You have to gather the information from various sources so that you can make yours also. Okay. So when you will be having the requirement, then after requirement you will analyze it and you will see that कि भाई actually में कि public को क्या चाहिए. Okay. So that's the very first phase. What is needed now? The second, what I told you right now is about the analysis part. Okay. It will bring the result of observation, whatever you have observed from the people and whatever you have seen among the people. So the observation and interview need to be ordered in some way. It means that you have to analyze it. Okay, so you have collected the information of 20 people. Okay, so you will align and you will put all this information in a row, and then you will find some result. Okay, it will bring out key issues and communicate with later stages of design. So basically, this is all about the analysis part. Capture how people carry out the various tasks that are part of their work and life. So these are the different statements which are given, but still we need to think that how the analysis could be done. And you need to come on one point that after these information what I have collected, I have to analyze this data, and then I need to come on a single point. The third one is obviously the design part. Now this is all about, now we have collected the information, we have put them in a row, we have analyzed them. Now the turn is of design. ठीक है, अब design की तैयारी, ठीक है. So this is all about design, but there is a central stage when you move from what you want and how to do it. So that's basically a part which comes in the design section. We have numerous rules, guidelines, and design principles that can be used. Okay, क्या क्या बोला है, rules, guidelines, and design principles. Okay, so we have to follow the design principle, whatever is there for developing or for building any product, any model. Okay, I have to follow the guidelines also. The guidelines say that the weight of the mouse should not exceed itna xyz gram. Okay, so this is one of the guidelines. Okay, the guidelines say that the wireless mouse must have two clicks, like right click and left click. Okay, so this is one of the guidelines. The wireless mouse must have one wheel from which you can scroll up and scroll down. Okay, so you can make use of this wheel also. The wireless mouse must have a section for battery also. Okay, so ये भी है हमारे पास में. The wireless mouse must have the switch on off button so that the mouse will not use the battery all the time. Okay, so whenever it is required, then you can switch it on, you can switch it off. Okay, so these are all the guidelines from which we are going to. I'm just giving you one example so that you will understand. So I'm taking this example of this particular mouse. So what can be the guidelines? Some rules will be given, okay, for the design purpose. So we have to follow all the same, like rules, guidelines, and design principle that we have to. We need to record our design choices in some way, and there are various notations and methods to do it. So basically, we need to make some, we can say prototype. I think uska aage topic aayega. This is the point. So we have to make some models, like architectures and other people used to build some prototype or some model. Okay, आपकी बिल्डिंग बनने वाली है तो उसका पहले से एक प्रोटोटाइप बनाते हैं. ओके, और उसका एक मॉडल बनाते हैं सो दैट पीपल विल कम टू नो अबाउट दी. ये जो होता है ना, कोई मंदिर बन रहा है, कोई मस्जिद बन रही है, तो उसका पहले एक मॉडल आसपास में लगा देंगे, बाहर चौराहे पर लगा देंगे, सो पीपल विल कम एंड सी दैट दिस थिंग इज गोइंग टू बिल्ड. ओके, तो उनको फिर लगता है कि हाँ ये ऐसे बनने वाला है. So this is one of the prototype. Okay, if there will be some, we can say, if there are some changes, if there are something which is not good, then it can be corrected also. Humans are complex and we cannot accept to get design right first time only. Okay, so this is not a way कि हम लोग ने, आप बोलते हैं ना, हम लोग अपना प्रोग्राम लिखते हैं. It can be applied to the program also. So if you are making a program for doing XYZ task, okay, so it is not this is not obvious कि हमारा first time में हमारा program right होगा. Okay, possible है कि first time में नहीं हो, बल्कि कुछ errors आए, then we need to correct it, then we'll run it, we'll compile it, we'll run it, then बाद में कुछ और error मिले, फिर आपने इसको solve किया, 2-3 टर्न्स के बाद में आपका आउटपुट मिल जाता है. ठीक है, यूजुअली ऐसा होता है, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है कि आपको फर्स्ट रन में ही आपका प्रोग्राम, मतलब कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ही आपका प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट अच्छे से रन. So you have to do iteration. Okay, you have to do number of iteration. We therefore need to evaluate a design to see how well it is working, and where where we can have an improvement source. Okay, so I just want to show you this thing now, because my second thing we have covered. Now try to understand this particular diagram. The very first module is like what is wanted. Okay, what is wanted, basically what you need. Okay, so by means of various medium, by the by means of various ways, you can collect the information. You can gather the information what you want actually. Okay, so that will be done in the first phase. Okay, and in the second one, the scenarios, the information, the data what you have collected in the first phase will be analyzed in the second phase. Okay, तो इसमें आप सब चीजों को एनालाइज करेंगे अच्छे से, and then you will come on a single point. Okay, after doing so, you will go to the design part. Now everything is clear, everything is freeze now. Okay, and you have everything in your hand, and you have to start designing your product. Okay, with the help of guidelines, principle, the rules, and the different thing whatever is there. So you will apply all those things, and then you will start designing. Okay, after designing you will make a prototype, or you will make a model. Okay, and you will evaluate. Okay, you will evaluate. Okay, if the things are okay, then what you will do, कि आप लोग वापस से एनालाइज करने बोलोगे, वापस से इस पे जाएंगे. ठीक है, अगर इसमें कुछ एरर्स है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, कुछ चेंजेस है, देन आप एनालाइज वालों के पास भेजेंगे, एनालाइज वाले इसको वापस से रिपीट करेंगे, कुछ चेंजेस करना है चेंजेस करेंगे, डिजाइन वाले को बोलेंगे, डिजाइन वाला वापस डिजाइन करेगा, एंड अगर वो वहां पर चेक करेंगे इसको, इफ एवरीथिंग इज ओके, देन इट विल बी गिवन टू द इम्प्लीमेंट एंड डिप्लॉय. ठीक है, तो ये जो लास्ट वाला पार्ट हमारा आगे है, तो इफ एवरीथिंग इज ओके, इफ एवरीथिंग इज करेक्ट, देन if everything is correct, then we will implement the model or the software or the project or the machine or the software, whatever you have. Okay? Then you will implement and deploy. If it is not, then you will repeat the things there. आप अगेन फिर मॉडल बनाने का बोलोगे, फिर चेंजेस करेंगे, इवेलुएट करेंगे, फिर एनालाइज के पास में जाएगा, फिर डिजाइन होगा, फिर डिजाइन को फिर चेक करेंगे, अगर ओके है तो भेजेंगे, नहीं ओके है, so you can do lot of iteration. Okay, if the design is not correct, then you can do number of iteration. Okay, सो यहाँ पर होगा, फिर वापस से जाएगा, फिर जाएगा, फिर जाएगा, ऐसे नंबर ऑफ इटरेशन हो सकते हैं. And last, if everything is okay, then it will go to the implement and deploy. Okay, then your software, your model, your machine will be deployed, it will be implemented precisely. Okay, so this is the complete process of design. Okay, last वाला है, थोड़ा सा हम लोग फौरन देख लेते हैं इसको. Iteration, prototyping हुआ, implementation and deployment. So finally, when we are happy with our design, we have finalized each and everything now. Okay है, सब कुछ okay है. We need to create it and deploy it. Okay. Then it will involve writing code, perhaps making hardware, writing documentation. जितना भी जो finalization वाला काम है, वो सारा काम इसके अंदर डाल दिया. Manuals, everything that goes, होता है ना आपके माउस के साथ में, आपके जो भी मशीन आती है फिर उसकी मैनुअल्स आती है. मैनुअल्स कब बनती है? When everything is okay and you are happy and the owner is happy with the design. Okay, and everything is functioning smoothly, तो तब जाके भी सारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन काम. Everything that goes into a real system that can be given to others. Okay, so we can give it to others also, because right now it is working fine and everything is okay. Okay, so ये था हमारा design process. Very simple. If you will understand, if you will remember this particular diagram, then you can easily write down the at least half page on each and every module. Okay, so the very first stage is requirement. What is wanted basically. Second is the analysis part. Whatever you have collected, whatever information you have gathered from various sources, so you will analyze those parts and you will come to the single point, and that particular freeze or that particular point or statement will be given to the designing part. Then the designing module will design or will build your product or software or whatever you want to develop. Okay, with the help of guidelines and the principles of design. Okay, you'll apply all those things and you will design a prototype or model. If that prototype or model is having issues, or if it requires some changes, then it will be given to the analysis part, then it will be analyzed, and then changes will be called. And those, according to those changes, then again it will be designing part. It will be given to the designing part. Then designing module will give it to the prototype again. If it is having changes, if you are happy with the design, then that design will be given to the implement and deployment. Okay, for implementation and deployment part. Okay, it will implement it and it will deploy and it will do all the required tasks which is needed in order to distribute this particular model or product to the real world. Okay, so this is the complete process of a design. So if you remember this diagram, then you can easily write down the answer of this particular question. 10 मार्क या कम से कम 5 मिनट तो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है. Important question from my side. Okay, so we'll stop over here. Okay, because this is 10:52